Welcome back to Technology In. As time goes by, the development of technology must be more rapid and extraordinary. Keep watching this video until it runs out.
The Fendt Ideal 10.
The Fendt Ideal 10 is one of the latest combine harvester models produced by the German agricultural company Fendt. This combine harvester offers advanced technology and high performance to help farmers harvest agricultural products with better efficiency. Fendt Ideal 10 is designed to collect agricultural produce such as wheat, corn, or beans in an efficient manner. This combine harvester is equipped with a reel and cut crop that allows quick and accurate cutting of plants. Once the crop is harvested, Fendt Ideal 10 will separate the grain from the stem or straw using a sophisticated rotor and SCP orator system. This process ensures that the resulting grains are of good quality and easier to process. Subsequently, after grain separation, Fendt Ideal 10 performs advanced cleaning to remove dirt, debris and other foreign matter from the crop. This helps produce grains that are cleaner and ready for storage or market. This combine harvester is equipped with a large storage tank to hold a significant amount of crop before it needs to be emptied. Such tanks allow farmers to continue harvesting without stopping too often for emptying. The Fendt Ideal 10 is equipped with advanced sensor technology and monitoring systems to detect engine performance, component wear, and crop quality and cleanliness. This combine harvester can also set up and optimize its operation automatically, reduce the intervention of human operators and improve work efficiency. Here are some features and specifications that are commonly found on the Fendt Ideal 10. Power output. The Fendt Ideal 10 has a maximum output power of approximately 790 horsepower to produce enough power to operate the machinery and equipment contained in the combine harvester. Rotor and SCP orator. Equipped with large rotor and efficient SCP orator for good separation and processing of crops, resulting in cleaner grains. Tank capacity. Has a large tank with a capacity of tens of thousands of liters, which allows farmers to collect large quantities of crops before emptying. Sensor and monitoring technology. Equipped with advanced sensors and monitoring systems to automatically detect and control combine harvester performance, including yield quality, component wear and other operational conditions. Automatic cleaning system. The Fendt Ideal 10 is equipped with an automatic cleaning system that helps reduce buildup and clogging of the combine harvester's cleaning parts, optimizing performance and reducing downtime. Operator's cab. The operator's cab is designed with comfort and good visibility, equipped with easily accessible controls and intuitive operating technology. Those are some of the specifications and features of the Fendt Ideal 10790 HP. Watch other videos related to modern technology in agriculture.
Thank you for those of you who have watched the video to the end. Stay tuned for interesting information about tools and other future technological developments. And see you in the next video.
From the beginning.
Hit it, boys. Joint on a corner where the big boys play.